Hi, I'm Adi. This is my first sharing about my CNC. I have it on since 2016, so almost 4 years already. And then this is a story, a little story about my journey. Please support me by subscribe for the another videos. Okay. Today I want to share for the motors or spindles I'm using. This is the original spindles I have. It's very good. I like it because I can use multiple shank bits, so it's adjustable. But unfortunately, it's only lasts almost 1 year. During that time, I'm not using every day, just for experiments and learning, because I have zero knowledge about CNC. I just Google from you all guys, learning from all your sharing. Thank you. I appreciate. So it's my time to share my knowledge, my experience. So the first spindle only lasts less than 1 year, and then I searched for the repair, or I thought it's the brush or the carbon finish, but it's not. So I don't know what happened. Then my friends recommend me to change to the local one, so easy for maintaining and support and split pipe. So during the research, I find the similar is this one. So I love it because I can control the speed. So it has multiple speed, and then I'm using the small bits for my little project. I love it, but also it lasts only for 1 year. Then I buy the second one. It's also also lasts for I think 1 year. So I feel very fast, and then one of my friends recommend to using the bigger one, so I buy this Makita. What's this? Okay. The only problem is Makita is the size for the shank of bits is 6.35, so I cannot using the small one, and then I need to buy a different collet and then convert to the small one. I love it, but it don't have any speed control, so I cannot control the speed. So this one lasts almost 2 years. Lot of my experience, my learning success, so I love it. And then it's broke, so I do some research, and finally I found this Europa Hilt. So this one I'm using now. So this one I love it because it have a speed controller, and then it give all the collets. So the smallest one 6 mm and 6.35 is complete, everything complete. So I love it. So if you want to change your motor, I recommend using this. So far I already used this more than 6 months. Happy with it, easy to install. The speed is have a very good speed. Alright, so please support me by subscribe and give some comments, and I will share another project. CNC. Thank you.